Ini ndine 20 years. Ndakatanga kugara nemurume wangu muna February. Until now, tiri kudanana nemurume wangu. Last year he pressured my family kuti ari kuda kundiroora, but vabereki vanga vasingadi kusvika ndatizira. Me naAbhi since tichitanga kudanana we never had problems. The guy was good and airatidza kuti munhu aindida fani. Ndakatanga kugara naye and he never told me that he was once married to this lady anga ari muhombe kwaari. Pamba pataigara ipapo ndopaigara mukadzi uyu, and she came to me achiti ifriend yaAbhi. Kusvika vanhu vanditi ngwarira mukadzi uyu naAbhi are dating. From there mukadzi uyu I wanted nothing to do with her. We were always fighting, achitaura zvaanoda. Me and my parents have issues and we don't get along at all because they mistreated me a lot, and the main thing that pushed me kubva Pamba was the ill treatment, and many people around our area knew how I was suffering Pamba pedu. I thought I got a best friend for life, but akabva andirasisa. So muna May, Abhi and this lady planned to have a child. Ndakabata phone yaAbhi and saw all the charts. My husband knew very much how much I wanted a child, even now, and chaive chishuviro changu kuti ndimupewo mwana, asi akaona kuti I was barren for too long panguva yake. Now this lady is now 5 months pregnant, but many people are like she's not, nekuti akabvirira kare achingota nemimba isingaoneki. But Abhi has so much confidence kuti mwana aripo, and I'm happy for him kuti he will be a father soon. In this marriage, I feel like my life is a mess and I'm lonely and broken. I'm always fighting naAbhi because of this lady. Besides, nyaya dzedu takungotaura tichingonetsana. Chinondirwadza the most is Abhi anosvika pakundinyeya nababy mama wake. Hameno kuti manyawi ekuti she's pregnant here and ina handina mwana. I need advice, guys. Should I stay or go in the streets where I belong because handina hama or kwekuenda? Many people say I should stay because Abhi anogara mumba neni. Upenyu hwangu marwadzo, dai ndine hama maybe ndisingatambudziki. My parents said they want nothing to do with me.